Hello everyone. Today, story isn't just about money yet. It's about something far more powerful. Learning how to make your money work for you. We'll explore the idea of passive income, a concept that has transformed ordinary lives into extraordinary ones. And along the way, we'll pick up some useful English phrases that can help you express these ideas naturally in real life. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, in a lively little town, there lived a young man named Ryan. At 25, Ryan worked full-time at a neighborhood grocery store. He had been there since he was 20, starting as a cashier and eventually earning a trusted position managing the stock and customers. Ryan was proud of how far he'd come. For the past 3 years, he'd been saving a portion of his paycheck every month. But lately, he began to feel frustrated. His savings account was growing but too slowly. He often thought, I'm working hard every day, but my money just sits there doing nothing. There must be a better way. The problem was, Ryan didn't have time for a second job. His store hours consumed most of his day, and by the time he got home, he was too tired to do much else. One weekend, he decided to seek advice from someone wiser, a wealthy man named Mr. Denner, who lived in a nearby village. Everyone knew Mr. Denner as the man whose money worked for him. He owned farmland, rental houses, and small businesses, yet he always seemed relaxed, never in a rush. When Ryan arrived at his home, he found Mr. Denner sitting peacefully under a big oak tree, sipping coffee and watching the fields sway in the afternoon breeze. Ryan greeted him politely and explained, "Sir, I've been saving money for years, but it's growing too slowly. I want to learn how to make my money work for me like you do." Mr. Denner smiled warmly. You're thinking the right way, son. It's never too early to learn about passive income. But remember, this isn't just about investing money. It's about building the right mindset. Even a small amount can grow if you learn how to use it wisely. Ryan's eyes lit up. "I'm ready to learn, sir." Mr. Denner nodded and began to explain. The first step to building passive income is simply, must have capital. That means saving money from your current income. No shortcuts. Don't borrow money to invest when you're just starting out. Save slowly and consistently. If it's a small amount, your discipline will become your foundation. Ryan nodded. "I understand, sir. And once I save enough, patience." Mr. Denner chuckled. "That's where most people make their first mistake. Rushing the second step," he continued, "is to resist unnecessary spending. Don't buy expensive things just to look successful. That fancy phone or new car might make you feel good for a week, but they lose value quickly. Instead, use that money to build something that grows, not something that fades." Ryan scratched his head, realizing how often he dreamed of buying a new motorcycle. "So, you're saying the secret is to wait?" "Exactly," said Mr. Denner. "Delaying pleasure today gives you the power to multiply it tomorrow." They walked slowly across the field, and Mr. Denner pointed at the houses nearby. "The third step," he said, "is to find the right passive income opportunities. Look around. Your opportunities are everywhere if you open your eyes. For example, look at that house over there. Rudy started a small Wi-Fi business with less than $500, and next door, someone raises chickens for extra income. None of them started rich, they just started smart." Ryan was amazed. "I always thought I needed a lot of money to start something. I didn't realize small ideas could work too." "Of course they can," said Mr. Denner. "The secret is to match your opportunity with your skill. Don't copy others, blindly find what fits you." They returned to the big tree, and Mr. Denner continued. "Now, the fourth step, start small, but start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Use what you already have. You'll learn more from action than from thinking about action." Many people fail because they spend years planning and never begin. Ryan nodded thoughtfully. So even small steps matter. They matter the most, said Mr. Denner. And when challenges command, they will face them. Every small failure is part of your education. After a moment of silence, Mr. Denner smiled again. The fifth step is simple: reinvest your profits. Once your first passive income starts working, don't spend the money right away. Use it to grow your business. Little by little, the snowball will get bigger. That's how Rudy expanded his Wi-Fi service to cover half the town. Ryan laughed softly. That's incredible. I didn't realize success was just a series of small, consistent steps. That's right, said Mr. Denner. And when you start to see results, remember the sixth step: diversify. Never depend on only one source of income. When your first project is stable, use the profits to build another one. It could be rental property, a small online store, or a simple digital service. The goal is to make sure that even if one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. Ryan looked inspired. And when I finally make a profit, can I spend a little on myself? Mr. Denner laughed. Of course. Reward yourself, but wisely. Enjoy maybe half of what you earn, and reinvest the rest. Life isn't only about saving. It's about enjoying the fruits of your labor without killing the tree that gives them. Ryan smiled, grateful for such practical wisdom. And what's the final step, sir? The seventh step, said Mr. Denner, is patience and consistency. Don't expect instant results. Passive income takes time, like planting a seed. You have to water it, protect it, and give it sunlight. The more you learn, the stronger your tree grows. But remember, most people quit right before the harvest. Ryan nodded slowly. So, I just have to keep going. Yes, said Mr. Denner softly. Keep learning, keep adapting, and don't stop when things get slow. The real reward, isn't just the money the peace of mind that comes from knowing your money works for you, even while you sleep. After their talk, Ryan shared a meal with Mr. Denner's family, listening as they spoke about their own investments and life lessons. When it was time to leave, Ryan shook Mr. Denner's hand with gratitude. That evening, as he walked back through the golden fields, he thought about everything he'd learned. Save first, spend wisely, start small, reinvest, diversify, and stay patient. He realized that wealth wasn't built overnight. It was built on habits, discipline, and smart decisions made over time. From that day forward, Ryan began setting aside a small amount of money each month, searching for ways to grow it wisely. And as the years went by, he watched his savings multiply not through luck, but through patience and the quiet power of passive income. And that's the heart of today's story. Making your money work for you isn't about luck. It's about patience, planning, and purpose. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need the right mindset and the discipline to begin where you are. Every dollar you save and every smart choice you make today becomes a seed that can grow into financial freedom tomorrow. Remember what Mr. Denner told Ryan: start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly through small steps that compound over time. The earlier you begin, the stronger your future becomes. So, take a moment to look at your own life. What's one small action you can take today to move closer to financial independence? Maybe it's saving a little more. Maybe it's starting your first side project. Whatever it is, start now, because the best time to plant your financial tree was yesterday, and the second best time is today. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering stories that teach you how to grow not just in wealth, but in wisdom, discipline, and confidence. Your future self will thank you.